meditation with pranayam. Kapalbhati pranayam is a breathing practice. That's its name from the Sanskrit words Kapalbhati, sukhasana, shine. How do you perform Kapalbhati pranayam? Sit back, keeping your feet straight. Take a long deep breath inside. While exhale, pull your stomach inward. As soon as you release the muscles of the stomach, the breath automatically reaches your lungs. To complete one sequence of Kapalbhati pranayam, exhale. 20 or 30 breaths. You can increase breathing level in your body content. When you practicing Kapalbhati, you can healing chakras. You keep your mind sacral chakra, that is color orange color. You imaginary with chakra inside body, sacral chakra, with practicing Kapalbhati, then you can feeling get lot of benefits with healing chakra with Kapalbhati. What does sacral chakra mean? The sacral chakra is a second chakra in the human body. It's thought to cover how you experience sex with you, get to expression, emotions, more. According to most traditions, can become wrong and unbalanced as can the other chakras in the body. When you practicing with Kapalbhati, sacral chakra, that can be lot of things. When the sacral chakra is imbalanced, it can make you feel emotionally and physically weak. Depression, being overly sensitivity, experiencing anxiety, and all these disturb the fear of losing control in a relationship. So this behavior is a sign of an imbalance. How many times Kapalbhati should practice? When the process can be performed neatly, the Puraka and Reka should be performed for at least 25 or 30 times in the cycle of Kapalbhati. Some 3 cycles may be performed in one sitting. When what is achieved, then the representation with the cycle can be reached. What is the difference between Kapalbhati and Pranayama? Vajrasana is a very type of pranayama that is similar to Kapalbhati, but is different from the two fundamentals way. Kapalbhati is essentially a breathing technique that mimics sneezing and allows the stomach. Vajrasana, on the other hand, is done the chest and engage the lungs. What happens during Kapalbhati? The practice. Kapalbhati pranayam start with the deep inhalation followed by exhalation of breath. With wild and violent movements of the diaphragm and abdominal muscles. This procedure was done for 10 minutes. It's a very close procedure and in the case country. Thermodynamics was also reported in Kapalbhati yoga practice. Also say about that. It happened inside the practicing Kapalbhati. If you want to know about that, you also practice. Kapalbhati is most important to me. I like good part of pranayam of Kapalbhati.